Hey, welcome back into Eye on Agriculture. I'm Britton Recker. We are in part 5 with a look back at the most important developments in agricultural law and tax from 2023. We're joined now with Roger McEowen, Professor of Agricultural Law and Taxation at Washburn University, to walk us through some of these. As always, Roger, it's a pleasure talking with you today.
Good to be with you, Britton.
Roger, let's start with the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC.
Yeah, this was a credit created in 2020 during the virus years, and it was modified in 21. And the whole idea of this credit was to provide a tax incentive for employers to retain their employees on the payroll if that business had become subject to a state governmental order, or could have been any governmental order, to either shut down fully or partially. And it could amount to a lot of money, easily 6 figures for some businesses. But there are a lot of conditions that came along with it, and some farmers were led to believe that they qualified when they probably didn't, and then the fraudsters took over. And the reason that agriculture didn't qualify was that agriculture was not shut down. You have to keep producing, and so it wasn't subject to a government shutdown. And then they didn't have typically the amount of revenue reduction compared to the same quarter in 2019 that they had in 2020 or 2021, so they didn't qualify. And this got overrun by the fraudsters, and finally in late 23, the IRS just completely shut it down, stopped processing claims for the fourth quarter, and has now created an amnesty program where if you now understand that you didn't receive the credit properly, you could pay it back, and the IRS pay part of it back, and the IRS will leave you alone. Tremendous mess that we had to deal with in 2023.
Absolutely. And moving on to number 3 on your list, it kind of seems like it should be number 1, but if you've been following the news, you know California's Proposition 12 at the U.S. Supreme Court has been a really hot topic for quite a while now. What's the latest on that?
Yeah, that was huge in 23 because the U.S. Supreme Court issued its opinion toward the end of the session and upheld Proposition 12, which says that you can't sell pork products, which was the specific issue in the case, in California unless those pork products you can certify were raised in accordance with California standards, regardless of where they were being raised at in other areas of the country. So their law impacted other places of the country. Didn't really impact California because they don't raise pork. They raise less than 1% of pork in the country, but they consume about 14% of pork products. So access to that market is critical. But the court upheld it against what's known as a dormant commerce clause challenge. And so that was a tough loss for agriculture, and particularly the pork industry in 2023.
Well, Roger, we'll check back in with you next week to finally finish out this list. Thanks so much for coming on, and we'll see you next week. Everyone stick around. Eye on Agriculture. We'll be right back.